Today's topic is forming greatest and smallest numbers. I'll show you some simple tricks in which we can form different kind of greatest and smallest numbers of different digit. Firstly, we know that the smallest digit is 0 and the greatest digit is 9. So these are the smallest one digit number and the greatest one digit number. Similarly, if we want to form the smallest and the greatest number of different digits, like two digit number, I'll show you how to do it. Let's write smallest number. We'll make a chart of smallest and greatest number. In order to find out the smallest number of one digit, it is simple. For writing one digit smallest number, it will be 0 and greatest one digit number will be 9. In case of two digit number, the smallest number will be 10 and the greatest number will be 99. Repeat the greatest digit. In order to find the three digit smallest and greatest number, we are going to apply the same trick, 1 and then 0 0 and then 9 9 9. This way we can continue. For the greatest 9 digit number, if you are writing 9 digit, we will still apply the same trick. That is, for smallest number we are going to write 1 and repeat 0 8 times. And for the greatest number we are going to write 9 times. So this is it. This is simple. Now we are given certain digits and then we have to find the smallest and the greatest number. Like we have to form the smallest and the greatest number using all unique digits. What is unique? Unique means different. Different. All should be different digits. So for this, for an example, I am given a question like you have to form a 7 digit greatest and smallest number using all unique digits. So how can we form this answer? In order to do it, first check that we have to form a 7 digit number. So 7 digit number for smallest, put 7 dash 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and write all the numbers in ascending order, that is from smaller to bigger. That is, smallest number is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Fill in the gaps, 5 and then 6. So this is the number that we have got. Now we were asked to find out 7 digit number. But if you have written 0 at first, then it will not make any sense as it has no value if a number begins with 0 and this number becomes a 6 digit number. So we have to apply a trick here, that is just replace 0 with its immediate next digit. So the number that we get is 1 0 by interchanging its position. Then we have the other numbers as it is 4, 5 and 6. So the number that we got precisely 10,23,456 becomes my smallest 7 digit number using all unique digits. Similarly, for forming greatest number, this is going to be easy. Just write all the digits in descending order. So the greatest digit being 9, then we have 8, then we have 7. We are going to write 7 digits. So 7 dashes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then fill these gaps. 9 8 7, then we have 6, then 5, then 4, then 3. So precisely 98,76,543 becomes my greatest 7 digit number using all unique digits. Let's take another example. If we are asked to find 7 digit greatest and smallest number using certain digits only, that is 0, 3 and 7 and 2. We have only 4 digits, but we have to form 7 digit number with it. How can we do it? Same trick like the previous one. First, for the smallest number, we will put 7 dashes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then, for forming the smallest number, we will write all these digits in their, all the given digits in their ascending order. So, the smallest number being 0, then we have 2, then 3, then 7. Now, you can see you have to first interchange the position of the first two digits. So we will make it 2037. The next step will be spot the smallest digit, which is 0, because you can see there are 3 dashes which are still left. So this becomes a 4 digit number, but we need to make a 7 digit number. So that is why we are going to repeat 0, this digit, the smallest digit, because we are asked to find the smallest number. So we will repeat the smallest digit 3 times to fill these gaps. But where? In between. The position will be 2, 7 dashes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 3 empty dashes. So we are going to repeat 0, it was over here, but then after following the 0, we are going to write the 0 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then whatever is left, 3, 7, we are going to copy it down here. So you can see we got the 7 digit smallest number using the digits 0372, which is 20 lakhs and 37. For finding the greatest number, the same trick will be applied. First, put 7 dashes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then write the given numbers in descending order this time, because we are asked to find the greatest number. The greatest number being 7, greatest digit. So let's start it with 7. Then we have 3, then 2, then 0. This time also 3 dashes are left, so we are going to repeat 7, the greatest digit, because we are asked to find the greatest number. So the greatest digit will repeat 4 times, once originally and 3 times for these gaps. So the number that we get is 7 originally, then the 3 gaps that were there, so 3 times more, so there is 7 times 4 times 7, and then we have 3, then we have 2, and finally we have 0. So this way we can form the 7 digit greatest number using the digits 0, 3, 7 and 2. You can apply the same logic whenever required for as many digits you asked to find the greatest and the smallest number. Another question I'm going to give you, that is, maybe you may be asked to find out the greatest 6 digit even number, the greatest and the smallest 6 digit even number. So for that, firstly, for smallest number, we are going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are not given any digit. So simply we are going to write the smallest number. And you can see the last digit is 0, which is an even number. So this will be the smallest 6 digit even number. Now, in order to find the greatest 6 digit number, we are going to repeat 9 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have repeated it 6 times. But see the last digit, it is 9. 9 is not an even number, it is an odd number. So we will replace 9 with the immediate greatest even digit number, that is 8. So we will write 9, 3, 4, 5. Only the last digit, the last 9 will be replaced with 8, which is the greatest even digit number, because we were asked to find the 6 digit even number. Let's take another example. If we are asked to find out 6 digit greatest and smallest odd number, apply the same logic for smallest. We are going to write 1, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 times 0 and 1, and then 1. So this is the number, but the last digit you can see it is 0, which is not an even number, not an odd number. So we are going to replace it with an odd number, which is 1. The number which is an odd number, the smallest odd number is 1. So we are going to replace this last 0 with 1, and the other part will be as it is. So 1 0 0 0 0, and the last 0 is replaced with 1. So this is the number that we have got. Precisely it is 1,01,000. Now, in order to find out the greatest 6 digit odd number, just repeat 9 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see the last digit is 9, which is an odd number. So, we do not have to do anything after this. This becomes my final answer. That is 9,99,999.